another week, another topic. And our topic for this week is forgiveness. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. Nakakatawa na lang at nakaka-amaze kung paano mag-work si Lord. Kasi recently, just this weekend, merong nang bother sa amin, nang trigger sa amin ng wife ko. Tapos this week, ito yung topic. Kumbaga, na-test talaga yung patience namin kasi that person said something super personal sa amin, sa akin. So, ibig sabihin ba nun na ginagawan ko ng topic na ganito? Right then and there, pinatawad ko agad siya. Kasi malakas ako. Hindi. I-contextualize natin yung quotation. Kapag ka mga petty, mga misunderstandings, mga small squabbles lang, yes, this is really applicable, itong quotation na to. Pero if it's systematic manipulation, systematic oppression, hindi to applicable doon na kailangan na i-forgive yun kasi tayo yung bigger person, tayo yung mas malakas tayo. I think, yung nag-quote nito, that person is saying na yung spirit, yung inner strength, hindi siya yung nandyan, yung superficial forgiveness na pinatawad na kita, pero meron ka, you still hold the grudge against those or that person. Ito yung freely mong pinapakawalan na sila. Hindi yung hayaan mo na, hindi siya ganun eh. Mas mabilis kasing mag-hold ng grudge kasi mas napoprotektahan mo yung ego mo, yung sarili mo, yung heart mo from opening up to people again and to that person. Our personal question for today is, who or what are you still refusing to forgive? At kapag ka parang napatawad mo na yung tao na yun or yung bagay na yun, yung nangyari na yun, ano sa tingin mo yung parang inner strength na makukuha mo, mariregain mo? Because true forgiveness often comes from those who feel secure enough in themselves that they don't need to keep score. Secure ka sa posisyon mo kung sino ka, kahit medyo na-shaken ka doon sa nangyari na yun. Just make sure na hindi ka lang nagpapatawad kasi dahil you are the bigger person, kasi dahil you are a Christian, you are called by God, ganito ganyan. Nawa, magpatawad tayo. Kasi yung spirit talaga natin at yung soul natin ay talagang lumalago. Yun na yung gusto ng spirit natin. Yun na yung dapat natin gawin. At hindi lang natin siya dapat gawin kasi ito yung dapat. Kasi gusto kong ipakita na ako yung strong. True forgiveness, it requires vulnerability. It requires facing kung ano man yung nagawa niya sa'yo. Yung mga emotions mo na yun, yung anger mo, yung disappointments. That's why siguro mas maganda kung ito yung full quotation natin. Mahaba nga lang siya pero it makes more sense. Refusing to forgive out of petty resentment or ego is often a sign of inner weakness. But true forgiveness, freely chosen, not coerced, is one of the highest expressions of human strength and freedom. May you have a productive week ahead of you. Stay wholesome. God bless.